A quick little update here. I've been working on this for about an hour and a half, just sitting down here going through all the wiring diagrams for everything that I'm going to put in the truck here. Got the original harness there for the entire truck, the LS harness, the Dakota module, the, what is that? Oh, that's some more of the PSI harness, gauge wiring there, the BIM module. Trying to figure out what all I need, and turns out I need a lot of power, switched and constant. So I am actually going to go ahead and use this accessory connector that came with this American Auto Wire harness. So it actually has, I think it's got 6 circuits in there. So I need, as of right now, it looks like I need 2 switched and 2 batteries to run everything. Or actually, I think 3 switched and 1 battery. The battery for the Dakota module, and then 3 switched. I got 1 for the ECU, got 1 for the pedal switch up there, which is actually dangling down for the torque converter release, and 1 for the Dakota module. So lots of fun here. Also figured out I'm going to run the wires through the bulkhead in the truck behind the fuse panel to run the fans, just to kind of clean it up so there's not extra wires going through. So I dug through and found some old wires from the harness when I put it in. So got those figured out. Also got the, really can't see it there, but that is coming through the hump here. So I got that wired. So actually ended up cutting the carpet a little bit, got that fitted in. But anyway, today's been mostly spent just sitting here, figuring out what I need to do, kind of getting a game plan, and start connecting some circuits. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll hopefully have a full video up here pretty quick.